Dr. Lozen, is there a way we can help change the minds of genocide deniers, starting with the youth?
I think first of all we need to distinguish the categories of deniers.
Yes.
There are those that I just told you incidental, they find themselves denying without being fully informed and equipped about the facts about the genocide. So the best way is to give them information, is to teach them. And we know the category that is premeditated. It is involved in denial, it's premeditated, and they know, and there's a utility in denial that is linked to their own lives. And we know that we can't change them, but we will continue to put out information that will discredit their narrative to the point that they recognize that their narrative is it is like someone who farts at a dinner table, you know. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, so whenever you do it, you know that people are going to, you're going to be ashamed. You're going to be castigated at someone who
can you fart at a dinner table?
Yeah, who lacks basic decency.
Yes.
So they'll be there and they'll be at the fringe of society, and whenever they do it, they'll be ready to be seen as uncivilized and lacking basic decency.